Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about the fascinating idea in the Earth science continental drift. Have you ever noticed how continental looks like puzzle pieces that would fit together? Well, that's no coincidence.
My name is Leandros Maydi Tranca. Continental drift. Continental drift is the theory that Earth continents were joined together in a single landmass and have slowly moved in their current position.
Did you know the continent we see today were once part of a single massive landmass? That's right. This idea was first introduced in 1912 by a German scientist named Alfred Wegener. Wegener proposed that around 300 million years ago, all the continents were joined together in one giant supercontinent. He called it Pangaea. But Pangaea didn't stay that over millions of years. It slowly began to break apart, and the continents started drifting to where are they now. This theory became known as continental drift.
Wegener supported this theory with several pieces of evidence. First, shapes of continents. Africa and South America seems to fit together like puzzle pieces. Number 2, fossils. The same plant and animal fossils found on different continents. Number 3, rock formations. Similar rock layers found in places far apart. Number 4, climate clues. Fossils of tropical plants found in Antarctica.
At first, scientists doubted Wegener because he couldn't explain how continents move. Later, the discovery of plate tectonics explained it. The Earth's crust is divided into plates that float on a semi-molten mantle. The movement of this plate causes continents to drift.
Today we know that continents are still moving at a rate of about 2 to 5 centimeters per year. Continental drift helps scientists understand earthquakes, mountains, and ocean formation. And who knows, millions of years from now, the map of the world could look completely different.
So, that's the story of continental drift from Wegener's idea to the science we know today. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the waters of our planet.